Hey guys, welcome back to WebDevMentors YouTube channel, and you're watching Python tutorial series for beginners. First of all, let me write this down. Now it's good. Now in this video we're going to see about for loops in Python. So if you're a programmer already, you already might be knowing that looping statements are very important in order to create a complex program that does a lot of important work. So now let's create a for loop which is basic. Okay, for loop.py. As usual, two enters, for loop for printing numbers. Okay, sorry about that. Now let's start with the for loop. This is the for loop, x in range of 10. And this is how a for loop will look like. So the actual function of this one will be explained now, of course. Please make a guess or something of what it could be doing. Print x. Sorry about that. All right, now what I'm doing is using a for loop in order to loop through range of 10. So 10 numbers. Okay, please open your ears and listen properly. I'm saying 10 numbers. Okay, and then print x. So now if you think again, the reason why I stressed 10 numbers and not till 10 is that x is pointing to 0 at first and it goes till 9. The range of 10 but not 10 exactly. Now if I run this program, it's going to list me 0 to 9. So this is why I said 10 numbers but not 10 exactly. Now if you want to 10, if you want 10, all you need to do is add 11 to it. So it's going to start from 0 to 10. But what happens if I want to go from 1 to 10? What to do? Let's try it out. This is how you do it. So 1 to 11. No, not 11. Okay? Excluded 11. So it's going to be 1 to 10, not inclusive of 11. Now, all of a sudden I want the reverse of this. I want to print 10 to 1. What do I do? It's very easy again with the range function. I'm just going to do it. 10 comma 0 comma minus 1. Now run it, you get 10 to 1. Now it starts from the back. Okay, so the value is going to be 1. So it starts from 1, not from 0. Okay, so it starts from 1 because I said minus 1, and it goes back to 10. So it's going to be 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So exactly the reason why you missed out 10, it missed out 0. It should have gone to 0, but just like how you missed out 11 when you wanted to print to 1 to 10, it's missed out the 0. Okay, that's how it works. Now of course it's really difficult to explain in words, so try it out in your own ways. Now this is for numbers. What happens if I want to do it for some kind of names? So I create a names is equal to James, Peter. Yeah, of course these names are something that I never hear in my country, so yeah, and Paul. Okay, 3 names. I have 3 names in the names, okay, names variable for x in names print x. So make a guess of what's going to happen. Okay, let's actually take this away because it's already too much. Now when I run it, it's going to be James first, Peter second, and Paul there. So every name is taken into a single variable out of the list of variables, which is going to be tuple, or you call as an array, or whatever you want to call it. Now each name is taken and added into x, which is a variable. So it's going to handle each names separately and then print them out. So you can do multiple functions with them. So it's not just to names, anything that you keep in here, even if it is number like 7, 8, 24, it's going to work the exact same way. So run it, you print it out. Simple. Now, what happens if you want to do something more complex in here? So, you want to print out in a way that, you don't want to print it out exactly the same. You want to do some calculations in here, into 3, and print out. It's going to do that without any problem. So that's the reason why you want to take each of those values from a tuple or else a list or a dictionary, and then do some actions with it, do some do some calculations, or else do some logic, apply some logic, create some value, or improve the value, make it more dynamic, make it more programmatic, and then print it out. So that's how the for loop is going to be really, really, really useful for you to do some really extremely difficult and complex programming in Python or any other programming languages. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this video, and if you find this video useful, please hit the like button, also subscribe to the channel, and also please don't forget to share this video with your friends and family or anyone whom you think will be needing this video. Anyway, thanks again for watching. Please don't forget to watch the rest of the series as well. I'm trying to put as many videos as possible, but of course I'm having some constraints in my work, so I'm trying to do as much as I can. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.